AirTalk Wireless operates as a mobile virtual network operator on Verizon's 5G network, providing voice, data, and text services with extensive 5G coverage across the U.S. APN settings are crucial for connecting your device to AirTalk's data network. The standard APN is AirMobile, with specific MMSC and proxy settings for MMS functionality. These custom settings differ from Verizon's defaults. MMS setup is especially important for multimedia messaging, and incorrect settings lead to connectivity issues. AirTalk relies on AT&T for MMS infrastructure. For Android devices like Samsung or Pixel, go to Settings, then Network and Internet, Mobile Network Advanced, and Access Point names. Create a new APN and enter the settings. APN is AirMobile, MMSC is MSC-mobile.a.net, MMS proxy is proxy.mobile.net, MMS port is 80, MCC is 310, MNC is 410. APN type is default, SUPL, MMS, authentication is none. Save and select it. For iPhones running iOS 18 or later, go to Settings, Cellular, Cellular Data Options, and Cellular Network. Input the APN AirMobile in the Cellular Data section and MMS settings in the MMS section. You may need to restart your iPhone after making changes. While automatic detection is improving with eSIM and 5G, manual setup ensures reliable connectivity. Firmware updates might require re-verifying these settings. For any problems, use the AirTalk Wireless app for setup guides.